So, why you start your journey with YouTube? You want to just upload your video on YouTube. So if you go somewhere or is wedding, you just create video in your mobile and you just upload it on YouTube for your memory. There are two type of people we can find in YouTube. One kind of people use YouTube as a time pass. They just upload video and leave. They are not upload video continue. If they upload one video and another video they upload in 1 month or 2 months or 6 months later. If you take YouTube seriously or casually, if you think YouTube is a business, then you take YouTube seriously. If you think not, you take it casually. So we are going to discuss about this in this video. You want to create your YouTube journey casually or seriously? What I mean by seriously, if you want to earn money from YouTube, if your answer is yes, then I'm here with you. In this course, I'm going to help you how you can earn money through YouTube. And you need to remember one thing, there has no shortcut in success. If you work hard, it will pay off. So if you want to create your YouTube journey casually, then you can leave this video. Or if you want to start your YouTube journey seriously, then this video is for you.